Kesari Veer has been a labor of love for New York-based filmmaker Kanu Chauhan. For the last 2 years, he's been in India devoting all his energy into a project that tells the story of an unsung hero. The result is a larger-than-life cinematic experience that not only entertains, but also educates. Last week, Kanu Bhai, along with his executive producer Bipin Patel, held a premiere screening for family and friends right here in New Jersey.
The movie is fantastic, excellent direction by Kanu sir.
The story is very good.
It was very nice. Good to know about the history of our India. It was really good.
ये शिव कौन है?
भाईजान एक काला पत्थर है जिस पर ये लोग भस्म लगाते हैं।
हज़म यानी
राख हुजूर।
Being Hindu, I would say definitely, and especially being Gujarati, you should definitely watch this movie.
It was a great movie. Yeah, very emotional and fantastic. Direction was great. Everything was good.
हमारे राम की भूमि है, हमारे कृष्ण की भूमि है, हमारे शिव की भूमि है।
I must appeal to all Hindus to watch this movie again and again.
This is a religious movie that the kid doesn't know about religious, so because of this movie, she know the history.
It's very important for our children, our future generations, to know our past.
This should be a legacy for our kids. Our kids should learn, that we never give up.
हम राजपूतों के खून में हार लिखी ही नहीं।
कनु भाई चौहान और बिपिन पटेल ने बहुत अच्छी फिल्म बनाई है, मन लगा के बनाई है, राइट फिल्म एट द राइट टाइम।
और उस राख में से एक चिंगारी उठी।
Trust me, this is not easy. It takes a lot of effort, hard work, commitment, dedication, 24/7 to execute a motion picture like Kesari Veer. So thumbs up to all the makers.
We have to let a lot of people know about this movie. Definitely, very nice movie.
एक योद्धा की पहचान उसके तलवार पे लगे लहू से होती है, उसके नाम से नहीं।
I feel that the generation needs to know all the sacrifices of such unsung heroes. I did not know enough about Mr. Gohil, the hero of the film, how they defended our freedom at that time, laid their lives without a single blink. The guy just got married and he went for the war. It is unimaginable for me.
It's all about our Indian history. A lot of people, even I didn't know myself about this, what happened back then.
It was great, cinematography was good, everyone's acting was good, and I think they got the point across for what they were trying to portray.
They come to the theater not expecting this film will be like this.
और मंदिरों में सबसे ज्यादा सोना कहीं है तो सोमनाथ में।
I loved it. It was very overwhelming, and I'm really glad that everybody loved the film. It's taken us almost 5 years to make it, and seeing it go from the ground up, just from talks in our living room to making it this big of a scale, it's really been an amazing journey.
सोमनाथ को हाथ लगाने से पहले उन्हें इन भीलों से टकराना होगा।
ये युद्ध हम हमारे लोग, हमारा धर्म और हमारे सोमनाथ के लिए लड़ने जा रहे हैं।
Oh, it's amazing. It's just a beautiful journey to be in such a kind of film because it's about our history. It's not the mythology. It's our history, and when we represent our history, it's the most proud moment for us.
आज हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ महादेव की सेना है।
हर हर महादेव!
I think it's an amazing motion picture. Very well conceived, very well executed, very well directed.
I like this movie, and like all Marathis, all Geet like Jhaverchand Meghani's singer, and amazing movie. It's like very nice. I personally feel the movie is very well made and should be commercially successful.
दुनिया की कोई शक्ति रोक नहीं सकती।
So far, whoever have seen the trailer, they are amazed. They are saying that this is a super hit. I said, I don't care if it is not super hit, but at least do somewhat good. And I think by after today's talking to all the people, everyone loved it.
उस मंदिर पर तेरा मकबरा बनेगा।
No matter what differences we have as people with religions and backgrounds and faiths, it's that one higher power that you should connect to.
I would definitely encourage producers, instead of making all those, all those masala ball movies which show things which are actually ridiculous and people spend money to go and see, I think go see movies like this. It makes much more sense.
We met Gujarat CM, we met Maharashtra CM, Devendra Fadnavis. They seen our trailer and they all enjoyed and they like to see the film.
ये सिर बस 2 ही लोगों के सामने झुकता है, एक मेरी माँ और दूसरे मेरे महादेव।
हर हर महादेव।
हर हर महादेव।